ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुः उन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So yesterday and the day before yesterday, we discussed about many saints and devotees and their pastimes with Lord Jagannath, right? And I hope you have all enjoyed those pastimes. And in future, whenever you go to Jagannath Puri, I can guarantee you that you will remember that pastime. The main motto of telling this story, why I'm taking this class, my main motto is you should understand that the Murti of the Lord, maybe that may be Jagannath ji or Vitthal ji, it is not a Murti, it is not some statue, right? Just we go on the, you must have seen near the railway station, you have statue of Gandhi ji, or you must have statue of, you must have seen the statue of like a Shivaji Maharaj, and then you must have seen the statue of Jhansi Ki Rani, right? Baba Saheb Ambedkar, yeah. But these are statues, they don't have life, right? These are statues. But when we see Jagannath, when we see Pandarinath, Vithalji, or when we see any Krishna's deities, it is not a statue. Please understand this thing. It is not a statue, it is God. प्रत्यक्ष भगवान तुम्ही, प्रतिमा नाही तुम्ही, साक्षात Brajendra Nandan. So God is not pratima, it is not a statue, and it is not a statue. That's why it is, just see, it is reciprocating with the devotees. Now you go to any other statue and just pray, oh my dear so and so master, please give me this, please give me that. Will that statue fulfill your desires? Will that statue speak to you? No, it will not speak to you, right? But when you go in front of Krishna in any other temple, in any temple, and if you pray with your whole heart, if you pray with love and devotion, then Krishna will reciprocate with you, right? He will fulfill your desire. He will give you some indications, right? Because he is not a statue, he is not a stone, right? So this understanding I wanted to give you, right? And today we are going to discuss, he was a very special devotee. His name was Bondhu Mohanty, right? If you go to the eastern states like Bengal and then Orissa, they don't pronounce A as A. To A they say O, right? It's a Bandhu Mohanty, but they will say Bondhu, right? It's so this is very sweet language actually, Bengali and Orissa language. Like yesterday we saw Mohapatra, like that. They don't have word A in their, dictionary, I think so. That's why they call Bondhu. So this Bondhu Mohanty was a devotee of Lord Jagannath. He was actually a very poor man. He had a wife, you can see in the picture, he had a wife. And he was living in the city near to Jagannath Puri. And the city's name was, that time village, its name was Jajpur. So he was staying there. And once it so happened that there was a famine. Means there was no crops coming, there were no grains, and people were, hungry. Many of them were dying. And on the top of that, he was already poor. He was thinking, पहले मैं कुछ तो मांगा के खाता था, I would beg, but now who will give me? Because people, they themselves don't have anything to eat. So he was really worried because he had many kids, right? So his wife started telling, oh, Bondhu Mohanty, now what should we do? Let's go to our relatives. हम हमारे सगे संबंधियों के पास में जाएंगे, and then we will stay with them for some time. Then Bandhu Mohanty started thinking, I am so poor that I don't have any relative only. I don't have any relative. But then he started thinking, no, I have one relative, because Krishna says in the Gita, Surudha Sarva Bhutanam, I am the best friend of everyone. Krishna says in the Gita, 15th chapter, Surudha Sarva Bhutanam, Gyatva Mam Shanti Mrushati. Sorry, 5.29 it was. In the 5th chapter of Gita, Krishna says, I am friend of everyone. And we saw in the case of Arjun Panda that how we should have faith in the Bhagavad Gita. Whatever Krishna has spoken in the Bhagavad Gita, it's true, it's complete. We should accept it without having any doubt. So Bandhu Mohanty had that faith. So he said, yes, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that he is friend. So if he is a friend, then he will help me in this my crisis, right? So then he said, oh, my dear wife, I remembered, I have one friend. I have one friend who stays very close from Jajpur, stays in Jagannath Puri, and let's go. Wife was so happy. She was not knowing that his friend is a Jagannath, right? She thought must be a cousin or must be a some friend. But then she said, she was so hungry actually. And she was just thinking of her kids that, the small kids, they just want food. They don't understand the situation. They'll say, bhook lagi hai, bhook lagi hai, bhook lagi hai. They were crying, So she thought, chalo, chate hai, let's go to Jagannath Puri. And we will have the ample amount of food given by his friend. Let's go there. So they started walking, and they reached to Jagannath Puri. But when they reached Jagannath Puri, that time Jagannath Puri temple was crowded, and some festival was happening there. So temple was completely crowded. Then her wife asked, where is your friend? So Bandhu said, my friend stays in this palace. So she said, okay, so let's go. Then Bandhu Mohanty tried to enter the palace, and you see there were so many police, and they could see that Bandhu Mohanty was looking very poor. So they started beating him. So Bandhu Mohanty ran away from there. So he said to wife, today, my friend is literally busy, and he had kept some security, so they are not allowing me. So let's wait for some time. But she said, we cannot wait. We are hungry from so many days. Our kids are crying. He said, okay, I can understand that, but my friend is now busy. Don't worry, he will fulfill our all desires. Don't worry, he will feed us. Then the wife was so hungry, her kids were so hungry, and they sat down there and they just slept there. So Bandhu Mohanty started thinking, abhi kya karu? Should I tell her the truth that my friend is Jagannath? Right? But then he said, let's wait. He has helped me. He has helped many devotees previously, and he will help me today. So he had that faith. So he went near to the Page Nala. And one day, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I told you that Jagannath has very big kitchen. His kitchen has 900 head cooks. 900 cooks. How many cooks you have in your home? one cook. Either your mother cooks or some maid comes and she cooks, right? And but in the case of Lord Jagannath, there are 900 cooks. Can you imagine? It is the biggest kitchen in the world, right? You must have seen that video. It's the biggest kitchen, and it is said that Lakshmi Devi, she herself empowers all the cooks, right? So they were, I mean, he started thinking, abhi kya karu, abhi kya karu. So he went near the kitchen exit actually, and he could see there was a page nala. Page nala means, you know, when you are boiling the rice in some open utensil or vessel, then you know you have to remove the upper water, right? When you are cooking the rice in the open vessel, you have to remove the upper water. It is called as a page. It is called as a starch, right? And that starch is thrown into the gutter. So you can see in this picture that starch was thrown into the gutter, right? So he went to that page nala and he started drinking that page. And that time cows were drinking that page. So it was kept for cows and animals, but he was so hungry, he didn't bother who is drinking that. He was so hungry, can you imagine? This hunger is very, you know, dangerous. I mean, it just makes one person very helpless. He started just, you know, drinking that page starch, the rice water, right? And he felt a little bit satisfied, and then he got some page for his wife also. So he got some page for wife and he gave to kids. Then she said, hey, what are you giving me? He said, wait for some time, my friend is busy. Till that time you can have this page or this starch, and then we will have some nice prasadam, some nice bhoga, don't worry. So she said okay, and then she drank that page. Her children's also, you know, drank that page, and then they slept. Now here Bantu Mohanty was really worried, and he started praying to Jagannath. Oh Jagannath, I don't have anyone in this world except you. Oh Sri Jagannath, please give us some food. I'm your friend. Please give me some food. And in that way, he was kept on praying, kept on praying, kept on praying. He was sitting there, and that time, it was a very late night. And that time, the temple's pujari, they closed the main gate, and they, you know, what do you say? They locked the main door and they went away from there. And that time he started thinking, अभी तो मंदिर भी बंद हो गया, अभी फूड कौन देगा, खाना कौन देगा? Was so hungry. So that time he again started praying, right? Oh my Lord, please help me. My kids are hungry. My wife is hungry. Please help me. You are my friend. I don't have any shelter. You are my friend. And actually, Lord loves such devotees. Lord says in Bhagavad Gita, just depend upon me. If you fully depend upon me, if you fully surrender unto me, I will help you. So actually, Lord helped them. So in the middle of the night, when the Bandhu Mohanty was sleeping, that time, you know, Lord felt very sad. He said, in the morning, I could not give time to my pure devotee Bandhu Mohanty, right? Because I was busy in meeting with so many people. So many people had come to darshan today. I was so busy, but now it's a night and I could not sleep because my devotee is not slept yet. He's so hungry. I have to give something to him, right? I have to give something for his kids. So what did Lord Jagannath do? He took the form of one panda. Panda means Panditji. So he took the form of panda. He, you know, went into the kitchen. He went first to the storehouse. From there, he got a big plate of gold. Excuse me. We got the big plate of gold. And then he filled all kinds of prasadam there. And Jagannath's kitchen is always filled with prasadam. So it is not that कि आपको 9 बजे ही मिलेगा, 10 बजे ही मिलेगा, हमेशा प्रसाद रहता है जगन्नाथ के लिए. And that's why it is said, when Lord wanted to eat, he became Jagannath. So, it is called he is a eating god. He's eating god. So Lord Jagannath, he took the form of one panda and he collected all kinds of foodstuffs, amazing foodstuffs. And some of you were telling that they had been to Jagannath Puri and they had eaten the prasad of Anand Bazaar. I tell you, it's so delicious prasad, delicious food. Actually, these people, these pandas, they don't use masalas, right, that we use. So they say that they have been given a recipe by Lakshmi Devi, and that's why they have their divine taste, right? So Jagannath collected, the panda was none other than Jagannath. He collected all prasad and the big thali. He came to the door and the locks were automatically opened. And then he stood there, this panda stood there, who was none other than Jagannath. And he started saying, "Oh Bandhumonti, where are you? Oh Bandhumonti, where are you?" Then Bandhumonti said, मुझे कौन पहचानता है यार इतने जगह में, मैं तो गरीब आदमी, किसी दूसरे को बुला रहे रहेंगे ये पंडित जी, मुझे कौन जानता है. Then he again slept. Then that Brahmana, that Panda again started shouting, "Oh Bandhu Mohanty, come here, I have got some food." Then he again woke up. He said, नहीं, मुझे क्यों बुलाएंगे, मैं कौन हूँ. He was so humble. He was so meek. He was not saying, "मेरे को बुलाया, give me, I am so hungry, give me." No, he was meek. He said, "No, I don't have any right to eat somebody else's food." So he just kept on sleeping, no problem. Lord Jagannath will help me. Not today, but tomorrow he will give some food. He was so hopeful. But Jagannath was panic. Jagannath wanted to help him today only. So it is said, that's why it is said that Lord wants to help devotee and devotees wants to serve Krishna. So there is a competition in between Krishna and his devotee. Who serves whom better? Devotee want to serve Krishna, Krishna want to serve devotees. Right? It is not one way. Love is never a one way. Right? So if you love Krishna, Krishna will also love you. Ye yathaman prapadyanti tam sataiva bhajamyaham. As you approach me, I shall reciprocate. So Krishna came there and he now started shouting, "Oh Bandhumonti of Jajpur." Bandhumonti of Jajpur. Now he took his village name particularly. So now he realized, "Arey Jajpur ka to main hi hu, Bandhumonti." So he ran to that this panda and he asked, "Haan, kya hua?" So he said that, "See, this food is given by Lord Jagannath." He himself was Jagannath. So he said that this food was given by Lord Jagannath. You please eat, nicely, and if you want some more, I can give you. He said, "No, this is sufficient for all of us." So he said, okay. Now you eat nicely, don't worry, and tomorrow also I will arrange your food. So you please don't worry. And Bandhu Mohanty was so happy. Then he said, "What should I do with this big thali?" That was the golden thali, because Jagannath eats in gold, right? We eat in a plastic, we eat in some pattal, we eat some in some steel, but Jagannath eats in gold and silver. So he said, don't worry, what you do, you just keep that thali with you. Tomorrow one of my servant will collect, right? So he said, okay. So he was so hungry, he came and he woke up and he said, "See, my friend has sent prasad for all of us." So all kids were very happy. Just imagine somebody is hungry from so many days and he gets all kinds of nice stuff like what do you say? What do you like? Just write in the comment box. Which food item do you like the most? Write in the comment box. I want to see. And I'll pray to Jagannath that You will get that food item soon. Which food item like? Okay, roti. Do you like roti? Good. I want to know the name of the item. Okay, rasgulla, amazing. Dosa, you seem to be a South Indian man. Gulab jamuns, amazing. Pizza, अरे वाह, विहान को पिज्जा अच्छा लगता है. आइसक्रीम केक, इडली, डोसा, amazing, amazing. पनीर बटर मसाला, अरे वाह. Pizza, amazing. So the kids, Shira, amazing. Pasta, dosa with sambar, ice cream, amazing, amazing. Now stop. Pani puri, naan, पानी पूरी. मेरे भी मुंह में पानी आने लग गया इतना सब सुन के. रवा केसर, अरे बाप रे, ये बहुत सारे नए नए आइटम्स हम देख रहे हैं आज. बस हो गया, बस हो गया, बस हो गया, बाप रे, बस हो गया. Now we'll focus here, right? So basically we are common with Jagannath. You know, many of my friends used to say, our Lord is Jagannath. Because Jagannath also love food. We also love food, right? So here, now he ate sumptuously. He was happy. His kids were happy. And his wife also was very happy. She said, amazing, your friend is so amazing. You know, he's so nice. Then Bandhu Mohanty also feels satisfied that, you know, Lord is actually helping me. And then he cleaned that thali and he kept that thali in his bag. He had one cloth bag, he kept that thali there. In the morning when Jagannath temple opened, that time one of the servant was checking in the storehouse, but he could not find gold thali there, gold vessel there. He was panicked. He said, you know, actually gold's cost is so much, right? So he was panicked. Arey, kisne chura liya? Thali kisne chura liya? And then police was called, and police, you know, started beating some of the pandas. The police thought कि इन्होंने ही चुराया होगा. The panda said, no, we don't know anything. We just locked the door and we went away. We don't know, because that time there were no CCTVs, right? So then police said, Abhi kisne churaya, kisne churaya? This king also was very disturbed that who stole this. No, because something happens in the temple. It is very bad thing and very serious thing. So king was very disturbed. And then this particular thing was spread as a wildfire everywhere in the Puri. So everybody came to know that Jagannath's main thali, bhoga thali is missing, gold thali is missing. Now everyone was shocked and panicked. Who had stolen that thali? Who had stolen that thali? So one of the yatri, you know, as you know that in the Jagannath Puri, so many people keep coming. So one of the yatri said, I had seen that thali in the morning. One of the beggar who was sitting outside the temple had that thali in his cloth bag. So now all the police started searching for that man who was looking like a beggar, Bandhu Mohanty. They started searching for him. And they found, and they asked, who are you? He said, I'm Bandhu Mohanty from Jashpur. They said, we want to check your bags. He said, okay, check, I don't have anything. But when they opened that bag, there was a golden thali. This police, they just captured him, right? You can see in the picture, third picture, just captured him, and they were taking him and his family to jail. He said, my dear friend, I have not stolen anything, right? Yesterday night, Lord Jagannath himself came and he offered me this food. You know, I mean, one panda came and then he offered me that food, but nobody was ready to listen to him, to just beating him. He felt very sad. Then he prayed to Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath, what is this? You know, yesterday night you fed us sumptuously, and today you are beating me. You are my friend. Why are you doing like this? But still, he was taken to the jail, and he was sitting in the jail, right? But he did not give up his prayer, right? He kept on praying. This is the symptom of sadhu. This is the symptom of devotee. Whatever happens in my life, I will worship Krishna. You know, some of us go to the temple and we pray to Krishna. Krishna, मुझे पास करवा दो. Krishna, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये दिलवा दो. But when Krishna doesn't fulfill your desire, you say, नहीं, मैं नहीं पूजा करूंगी, मैं नहीं कृष्ण के पास जाऊंगी, मैं नहीं वर्शिप करूंगी. हाँ, मैं प्रार्थना नहीं करूंगी अवश्य, क्योंकि मेरा वो डिजायर फुलफिल नहीं किया. तो ऐसा है, साधु कहते हैं, जो संत है वो कहते हैं कि आपके साथ अच्छी चीजें हो अथवा बुरी चीजें हो, आपको हमेशा कृष्ण की भक्ति करनी चाहिए. हम क्या करते हैं, अच्छा लगा, कुछ तो मिल गया, कृष्ण को प्रार्थना किया और वो सब मिल गया, तो हम अपनी जो भक्ति है वो करते हैं. परंतु हमारे साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ, नहीं ये कृष्ण ने किया, ये कृष्ण ने किया, we cry like this, right? And then we give up the bhakti, right? But this is not the case with the sadhus, the saints and acharya. Whatever happened in their life, they continually perform their devotional service. So he was in the jail, but still he was remembering Krishna, he was remembering Jagannath, and Krishna loves his devotee a lot. That's why he says in the Bhagavad Gita, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थान धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्. ये वर्स आपने सुना है? This very famous verse from Gita, isn't it? परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Why do I come? I come here to protect my devotees, to protect my saints, right? And then Jagannath could not sleep. Jagannath was worried, abhi isko main bahar kaise nikalu? So he directly went to the king's home. In his dream he went and he said, my dear king, why the hell are you capturing that innocent fellow named Bondhu Mohanty? Then king said, he has stolen the plate. But then Jagannath said, was that your plate? Did your father give it to me? No, it's my plate. I can decide whom to give and whom to not. He is my devotee. Release him immediately. Otherwise, I will throw you from here. King went to his dream and he actually chastised the king. King was surprised and he got up immediately. He thought it's a dream. But no, it was not a dream. He got up and he immediately ran to the jail and he asked the jailers to release Bondhu Mohanty immediately. And he asked the forgiveness from Bondhu Mohanty and then he fed Bondhu Mohanty nicely. Not only that, he made all the arrangements for Bondhu Mohanty to stay in a Puri and to get prasad from temple like this. So this was the story of Bondhu Mohanty, which was written in the register of Lord Jagannath's temple. And I yesterday also told, this is not something that Jagannath did Leela with one devotee and then he left. No, Jagannath keeps on doing Leelas with his devotee till today. He's so amazing God, right? How many of you like this story of Bondhu Mohanty? Just raise your hand or write in the chat box. Come on, very fast, because we need to cover 2-3 more stories today. Amazing, amazing, super. So what lesson we learned from the Bondhu Mohanty? Just tell me in the chat box. What lesson we learned from Bantu Mohanty? What did you learn? What did you learn from the story of Bantu Mohanty? Okay, superb, amazing. So whatever happens in your life, keep on praying. No? So you हम क्या करते जब अच्छे दिन होते हैं, when there are good days we will pray, but when there are some, no, sorry, when there is problem we pray, but when there is good days, when we are getting everything on bed, that time we don't pray. We say अभी क्या जरूरत है भगवान का, आज नहीं करेंगे. नहीं, अच्छे हो या बुरे दिन हो, you have to pray, right? So let's go ahead with our second story. Oh, Niharika is saying, if you love God, God will love you. Amazing. Super. Let's go ahead with another story. Oh, maybe this is also my story. Okay, we will now cover the story of Parmeshti. Parmeshti was also devotee of Krishna, Lord Jagannath, right? And Parmeshti used to stay in Delhi, right? This is the story, maybe 300 years ago, the story had actually happened, right? He was tailor, right? He used to stitch cloths. So king of that time, Badshah of Delhi, used to stitch his clothes from this Parmeshti. Parmeshti was very nice fellow, very humble fellow, meek fellow. He was a devotee of Lord. He had some kids, had a wife. He never cheated anyone. He was really honest. He used to always get up early in the morning and then he would worship Krishna, right? One day, it so happened that king sent his soldiers to him. And then king said that I want 2 pillows from the cloth he had brought from Middle East. So king had brought some cloth. It was embroidered with gold and so many pearls were there, diamonds were there. The cloth was really, really, really precious. It was so, what do you say, mehenga. It was so costly. And then he gave to Parmeshti. He said, I want 2 pillows. And when Parmeshti saw this particular cloth, he said, my God, I have not seen such a fabulous creation in my life. I have not seen such a costly cloth. Everywhere diamonds and gold and so many things were there on that particular cloth. So he said, okay, I will make 2 pillows. And then king went, his soldiers went. That time he started thinking, why should I give this? Why should, someone give this expensive cloth to the king? This cloth should be used for the service of Jagannath. Because he is the Lord of universe, he should be served with this cloth. He is the real enjoyer of this cloth. Why that dirty king, dirty Muslim king should use this cloth? Jagannath should use this cloth. So this thing was going on his head. And then he started making the, pillows out of that cloth. He started filling all these clothes with the, cotton. He made nice pillows. And that time he heard, he was the devotee of Jagannath, he heard that in Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra is starting. He heard that Jagannath Rath Yatra is starting. So he was so happy, but he thought ki, it's not possible for me to go because I have so much of work, right? And after all, Jagannath Puri is so far from here. He was staying in Delhi and Jagannath Puri is in Orissa. It's so far. and that time there were no trains कि चलो आज रात को बैठ गए सुबह पहुंच गए, ऐसा भी नहीं होता था. So you thought अभी इतना टाइम भी नहीं है. So what I will do, in mind I will worship Lord Jagannath. He just thought like that. In mind I will worship Lord Jagannath. So he just closed his eyes and he transported his mind. He just meditated on Lord Jagannath, and in his meditation he could see Pahandi festival was going on. Pahandi BJ, we call it. Pahandi festival was going on. And in Pahandi festival, what happens, you know? Lord is sitting in temple, right? Lord is sitting in temple. But on the day of Ratha Yatra, Lord is, you know, brought from temple to his Ratha, right? Right? So Lord is actually heavy. You can see in picture, which is on your screen, you can see Lord is being lifted by so many people. We know that this particular deity is made up of wood, but still he is very heavy. He's very heavy, and so many pandas, so many pandits come there and they, you know, lift the Lord. He's so heavy. And you know what they do? They make the way from the, you know, the temple till the Ratha. They make the way with the pillows. They keep, you know, pillows on the way, so that, you know, if if they become tired, they can keep the Lord on the pillow. भगवान को हम नीचे नहीं रख सकते ना, तो पिलो के ऊपर हम रख देंगे, right? तो आप देखेंगे कि भगवान को ला रहे, you know, these pandas, they get Lord on their hands. They are walking, and they sometimes keep the Lord on the ground. I mean, on the pillow, not on the ground. On the ground, pillow is kept. So he was meditating like that. And I tell you, this festival is so wonderful. It gives you heavenly experience. It's so amazing. Lord is just moving like this, as if Lord has drunken. As if actually Lord is drunken because he had, you know, drink the love of his devotees. He becomes like a drunken man, right? And he's just moving like this. I'll share one video with you, and you can see there that how they are getting the Lord from Ratna Simhasan temple to the cart. So they were getting. He's seeing in the mind. He's seeing everything in the mind. He's just focusing. He's just meditating. That Lord is walking from there. Lord is walking. Lord is walking. And he in the mind, he saw, in the meditation, he saw that when the pandas kept Lord on one of the pillow burst. The cotton pillow burst. Now he felt in the meditation that Lord is asking pillow from him. So in the mind, Parmeshti offered that golden pillow which he had made for the king. He offered in the mind to Jagannath. He offered in the mind to Jagannath, and he saw in his meditation that he had offered that pillow to Jagannath, and Jagannath is standing on that pillow. He was so happy. He felt, wow, this is the best use of this pillow. This pillow should be used for Lord Jagannath only, no, not anyone else. So he was so happy, and suddenly his meditation broke. He came out of the meditation. He was so happy. But as soon as he saw nearby him, there was only one pillow. There was only one pillow. He started wondering, अरे मैंने तो मन में दे दिया कुछ. I gave pillow in my mind, in my meditation, but still Lord took Lord actually took that pillow because he had desire to offer. Okay, now where is Lord? Lord is in Jagannath Puri. Where is Parmeshti? Parmeshti in Delhi. It's so far. but still the power of prayer is so much that you can offer anything to God. Instantaneously, you can offer that. Instantly, just in the meditation, he offered that pillow to God, to Jagannath. I started thinking, अरे अभी क्या होगा यार, 2 पिलो बोले थे ना, अभी 1 पिलो मैं किंग को दूंगा, बादशाह को दूंगा, he will be angry on me. Now what should I do? So he said, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि वो पिलो को मैंने मेरे सेवा में लगाया क्या, नहीं, भगवान की सेवा में लगाया. So फिर जगन्नाथ will protect me, no problem. So then after few days, the king's order came कि पिलो लेके पैलेस में आ जाओ. Now you again started worrying, अरे बाप रे अभी क्या होगा? Because these Mughal kings were really cruel, and you have seen in your history books, right? They were cruel. He started thinking, abhi kya hoga? But still he went with 1 pillow. And then king asked, दूसरा पिलो कहाँ पे है? मैंने 2 बोला था. He said, actually, my dear sir, my dear Badshah, I offered that pillow in my meditation to Lord Jagannath. And then king started laughing. मुझे पता है. You sold that pillow to someone else. He said, no, I cannot sell that pillow. Jagannath wanted that pillow and I gave that pillow in my meditation. The king was confused. How can you give a thing in your meditation? Then he said that God can do anything. The king was so angry because, on the first day also I told that this Islamic people, Mughal people, Muslims, they don't believe in the form of a God. They feel God doesn't have any form. So they don't believe in the form of the God. So they don't believe in Jagannath and Krishna. So king was angry. King said, Allah is great. What are you saying about Jagannath? Jagannath has taken my pillow. I know you have stolen my pillow. Now you must suffer in the jail. And he ordered his soldiers to take him to the jail. So Parameshti was worried and he went to the jail. He was not given a food for many days. Not even a water he was asked. He was kept on praying to Jagannath. Jagannath, please protect me, because I offered that pillow to you. And now you protect me. You are my friend. And then Krishna also not able to, he was also panicked. Krishna was also panicked that how my devotee is suffering. He cannot see the suffering of his devotees. He cannot see. And he came on his Garuda to the king's palace, right? And he just started slapping the king right and left. Just kept on slapping the king. And king was awake and he could see there is no one. There is no one, but there were, हम कहते हैं ना 5 गोट ऐसे, 5 उंगलियां ऐसे गाल के ऊपर थी उसके. तो उसने देखा ऐसे कैसे हो गया यार, ठीक है कुछ सपना होगा, फिर से सो गया. Jagannath again came and he started beating him right and left. And then he asked in his dream that, who are you? Why are you beating me? He said, I'm Jagannath. Well, who is this Jagannath? He said, I'm Jagannath. We call him Allah. I'm the same Allah. Now he was fearful. My dear God, what had happened? Why have you captured my devotee? He said, who is your devotee? He said, my devotee is Parameshti. And then he remembered. And then Jagannath chastised him. He said, this universe belongs to me, right? You are saying this gold embroidered cloth is mine, but that belongs to me. And everything should be used in my service only, right? So just release him. Just ask forgiveness from him. Worship that guy Parameshti. Otherwise, I'm going to kill you, right? I cannot tolerate this. So king went to the jail and he was released. Not only that, king became the disciple of Parameshti. Not only that, he made Parameshti sit on the elephant, and they had the tour all over the Delhi. depicting that this Parmeshti is a big person, right? And he is my guru from today. So this is the story of Parmeshti, that in mind also, if you offer something to God, God will accept it. So it is not that you have something and then you give to God. No, even if you don't have anything, but in the mind, if you offer that thing to God, God will accept. Because God has nothing to do with the things. Please remember, God has many things. God is a husband of Lakshmi, Baba. God is a husband of Lakshmi. And do you know Lakshmi? Lakshmi is a goddess of wealth. Kya chahiye bolo? No, the richest people on this earth planet, like Ambani, also worship Lakshmi. He also knows Lakshmi Devi. The people may be atheist throughout the year, but on the day of Diwali, everybody worships Lakshmi, isn't it? पूरे साल भर पूजा नहीं करेंगे, पर दिवाली के दिन लक्ष्मी का पूजा जरूर करेंगे. करेंगे कि नहीं? क्योंकि पैसा चाहिए. But imagine that Lakshmi is the wife of Jagannath, right? So Lord Jagannath is not lack of anything. He's not lack of anything, but he just says, give your mind to me. Mana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Give your mind to me. He just want your mind. He doesn't want anything else. That's why I was telling you, just remember Krishna, because Krishna don't have your mind. Krishna has everything, but Krishna don't have your mind. So give your mind to Krishna. Remember Krishna. Whenever you get a chance, whenever you get time, remove time, and you worship Krishna. Okay? You remember Krishna. And if you don't have many things to offer, just offer things in your mind to Krishna. Just imagine you have so many of mangoes and you are offering to Krishna, and Krishna will accept, because Krishna accept your love. He is in need of your love. He has many mangoes. He has milk. He is sleeping in the milk of ocean, Kshirasagara. You don't need that, but he need your love, right? So how many of you like this story of Parmeshti? Tell me in the chat box. And then we will take one more story and then we will stop. We will have question. Superb story, isn't it? The Parmeshti story. Amazing. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, this is okay. This is this is the festival. This is the festival of Pahandi Bija, in which Lord Jagannath is picked up, is raised by his servants, and slowly he's got to his chariot. Okay, we'll cover more one story, and this is a lady devotee of Jagannath, right? Her name was Vishnupriya, and she used to stay she was a queen actually, right? And she was very rich, very rich, but simultaneously she was a devotee of Krishna. Sir, block chat. Please don't spam in the chat. Now stop chatting and focus on what I am saying, right? Just sometimes ago I was told that Krishna is in lack of your mind. Krishna has everything, but he don't have your mind. So give your mind to Krishna. So this particular story tells you that, depicts that. So there was this girl named Vishnupriya. She was a Rajput. Rajput means they were from Rajasthan. They were kings. And that time, this story is about 500 years ago. And that time there was a tradition. There was a tradition that Jagannath's Panda would go from kingdom to kingdom to give prasad of Jagannath, right? They would carry some prasad of Jagannath, and then they would travel from one kingdom to another kingdom, and then they would stay with the king, and then they would guide the king on the spiritual path, and then they would give some prasad to the king, right? So one of the Panda, he went to this Rajput family. He went to this Rajput family, and then there was this lady, her name was Vishnupriya. And this Panda was, flabbergasted, was surprised by seeing the richness of this queen. So he was thinking, कि जब मैं return जाऊंगा ना, while I was returning, this queen will give me a lot of money. I will be so happy. So he was just focusing on the money. But the Vishnupriya was a devotee. She was always thinking of Jagannath, and she served this Panda very nicely. She would feed him. She would, serve him, right? But Panda, this Pandit ji would always think of money. अरे मैं जब यहाँ से जाऊंगा ना, मेरे को कितना पैसा देगी ये? How much money she will give me? How much money? I want so much money. Oh, she's so rich. And he was always thinking of this. So at the end of the 1 month, while this particular Panda was living for Puri, Vishnupriya gave small amount of money. जैसे हम देते हैं ना 100 रुपया, जैसे कहते हैं ना 11 रुपया, वैसे कुछ तो पैसा दे दिया. So he thought कि ठीक है 11 रुपया. Then he asked, जगन्नाथ के लिए कुछ दो ना, give me something for Jagannath. He thought कि जगन्नाथ को दिया मतलब अपना ही है, मैं ही रख लूंगा. He thought like that. But then she said, yes, I have to give something to Jagannath. And then she immediately went to her palace. Now here Pandit ji was thinking, कि अरे अभी कुछ तो पैसा मिलेगा, yes पैसा मिलेगा, and then that will be mine, क्योंकि मैं तो जगन्नाथ का ही हूँ ना, तो मैं जगन्नाथ की सेवा में लगाऊंगा. But then Vishnupriya, what she got, she got one letter, and then she gave to that Pandit ji and said, offer this to Jagannath. Pandit ji was so angry. How could she do that? She's so rich, she should have given me some money. What is this? She's just giving one letter. He was so angry, but he could not show her his anger because they were a king, right? So he came back to Jagannath Puri, and he was so angry on this queen. So he said, मैं जैसे पुरी जाऊंगा ना, जैसे मेरे घर पे जाऊंगा, इस लेटर को ऐसा कचरे के डिब्बे में डाल दूंगा. What the use of this letter? So he came to his home after a few days, and he just, threw that letter into dustbin. And that night, Lord Jagannath himself came to his stream and told, you did very bad thing today. Panda was saying, मैंने क्या किया अभी? Jagannath said, do you know that queen had given me such a precious thing in the world? I was hankering for that thing, and you just threw that away. Who are you to do that? She had given to me. Why you did not offer that to me? I want that thing. Please get me that thing. Otherwise, I'm not able to sleep. Please get that thing. तो ना पंडित जी was thinking, अरे इतना क्या लिखा है लेटर में? जगन्नाथ को दिन में 100 लोग लेटर लिख के जाते हैं, right? प्रार्थना कोई लोग, many people writes their prayer on a letter and they send to Jagannath Puri, right? So he thought कि कितने लोग जगन्नाथ को लेटर लिखते हैं, ये क्या लिखा है यार इसमें इतना बड़ा? तो क्या लिखा था पता है आपको? She is writing in the letter, oh Jagannath, you are a husband of Lakshmi. You don't lack anything, right? But you lack my mind. And I want to offer my mind to you. So I am offering my mind through this letter. Accept my mind. Okay. So that's the precious thing we have. We don't have anything, right? Everything is given by God, right? What we have of us is our ego and our mind. And if we offer that to Krishna, Krishna will be happy, right? So just offer your mind. Just tell Krishna, Krishna, I'm giving my mind to you. Please stay in my mind, right? Please, give me your remembrance always. Okay. So now we are stopping here. Today we are finishing our stories of saints of and devotees of Jagannath Puri. And if we get to some time on the final day, we will cover that. But for time being, we will discuss with some different devotees like Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Tukaram Maharaj, Namdev Maharaj, right? And Jnanadev Maharaj, and then Eknath Maharaj. Right? So many of were there. And the lady saints like Mirabai and Kanupatra and Janabai, and then Sakubai, right? There was great saints, and there was the stories were also very amazing. And then we will also discuss about Kunthanam. Then we will discuss about Purandar Acharya. So many things. Saints were there. Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, they are still remaining, and we need to discuss about them also. So now we are stopping here, and if you have any question, please raise your hand so that we can take some questions. Okay, बोलो कोई है? Alapti has some questions. बोलो Alapti.
सर वो लेटर में क्या लिखा था?
लेटर में लिखा था कि हे जगन्नाथ, आपके पास तो सब कुछ है, तो मैं आपको कुछ पैसा दूंगी तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी है, राइट? पर आपके पास क्या नहीं है? आपके पास मेरा मन नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरा मन तो मेरे पास है. सो आई एम ऑफरिंग माई माइंड टू यू, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट माई माइंड. ये लिखा था, इसलिए जगन्नाथ को वो बहुत प्यारा था कि कोई भक्त मुझे अपना मन दे रहा है, क्योंकि ऑफरिंग माइंड टू समवन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग, राइट? गिविंग अवर माइंड, गिविंग अवर कॉन्शियसनेस टू समवन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग, राइट?
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. और कौन है? आरुष, you have question? Your hand is raised. कौन है? प्रो विहान को चांस दिया जाए, बोलो.
सर वो बोंदू मोहंती की जो पिक्चर थी उसमें जगन्नाथ जी के हैंड्स थे, पर जगन्नाथ जी के तो हैंड्स नहीं है, उनके हैंड्स फोटो में क्यों थे?
वो नहीं है, परंतु जगन्नाथ मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जगन्नाथ के डीटी के हैंड्स नहीं है इसका मतलब भगवान के हैंड नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होता. ही कैन मैनिफेस्ट. जस्ट लाइक कृष्णा ने जब विश्वरूप दिखाया तो उनके तो 4 हाथ थे. सो कृष्णा कैन मैनिफेस्ट, कृष्णा कैन डू एनीथिंग. और कौन है? शौर्या. Vivo 91904. Who is this girl? बोलो.
बंडर का
Sorry?
मीनिंग क्या है?
किसका?
बंडर.
वो क्या होता है?
बंडर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? बंडर का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Can you write in a chat box? I am not able to get you. Bandar, you mean bandar? बंदर?
बंडर नहीं, बंडर. बंडर.
पंडा, you mean panda?
Yes.
Panda na? Panda means Brahman. Panda means Pandit ji. Pandit ji means those who worship Jagannath. They are called as a panda, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Sanvi has question. My God. बोलो सानवी.
Sir, the king gave Parmeshti golden or silver?
Sorry, Sanvi, there is a lag in your voice.
Sir, the king.
The king.
The king gave one cloth to Parmeshti. So that king, cloth was silver or gold?
That was gold embroidered.
And I have one more doubt. What was the festival
Pahandi,
that
Pahandi,
Parmeshti
Pahandi, Pahandi,
Pandi? Okay, sir.
Pahandi.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Svikruti, you have a question? Your hand is raised. Okay, please ask.
Prabhuji, my doubt is in that Vishnu Priya story, you showed that picture, no? In that
Huh?
she wrote in which language that letter? That was not English.
No, I just took some Google photo.
Okay.
He wrote in Sanskrit.
Okay, Prabhuji.
सानवी को प्रश्न है कुछ तो सानवी बोलो. सानवी विल आस्क सर टेस्ट कभी होगा?
नहीं सर सर लास्ट के जो लेडी सेंट थे उनका नाम क्या था?
विष्णु प्रिया. ओके बोलो. आपको अनम्यूट करो. वैदिक विमेनहुड अनम्यूट करो. हाँ अभी बोलो.
हाँ तो मुझे ये डाउट था तो वो ब्राह्मण इतना लस्टी था तो फिर जगन्नाथ जी ने उनको सिर्फ ड्रीम में बताया और जगन्नाथ जी ने कोई पनिशमेंट क्यों नहीं दी उन्हें?
क्योंकि उनका वो फ्रेंड था.
हाँ,
Many times see Alapti is eating something, huh? Alapti we also want. Okay. आपने क्या प्रश्न पूछा कि ब्राह्मण वो उसको ड्रीम में बताया ना कि ऐसे ऐसे करो. Actually thing is Krishna loves his devotee, so that Panda was also his devotee, so he didn't chastise him. Like if you say see in the case of Indra, right, when Krishna lifted the Govardhan and then the Indra came, Krishna didn't chastise him heavily because Krishna knew he's my devotee and he commits mistakes sometimes, just like your father and mother. Will they say चलो निकल जाओ यहाँ से, दफा हो जाओ यहाँ से? No, they will say ठीक है, next time. So Krishna always gives chance to his devotees to improve. It is not that if you commit some mistake and then he will say, hey, you are not my devotee, go away from here. Krishna is merciful. Krishna is not robot. Krishna will not say that ये आपने गलती किया ना, चलो इधर से निकलो, अच्छा किया चलो आ जाओ. ऐसे he is human. He has a mind like a human.
And that queen was a devotee of Lord.
Yes.
Okay. And that तो फिर वो जो कुशन के कवर थे तो उन्हें गोल्ड लगा था, तो गोल्ड कैसे लग रहा है? कैसे एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर सकते? गोल्ड
कर सकते हैं ना, एम्ब्रॉयडरी होता है गोल्ड का.
पर मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है.
नहीं मैंने देखा था. गोल्ड का क्या क्या बनाते हैं लोग. गोल्ड का फोन बनाते हैं, गोल्ड का आईफोन बनाते हैं, पता है आपको? वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी होता है, क्लॉथ होता है और उसके ऊपर वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं. क्या होता है बेसिकली, दे गोल्ड का एकदम पतला वो रस्सी बनाते हैं और उसको स्टिच करते हैं. ऐसे 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 होता है.
मुझे कुछ और क्वेश्चंस थे पर मैं भूल गई, सो मैं पिछले याद आएगा तब मैं लास्ट.
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा. आपने लिखना चाहिए था.
अरे हाँ बताइए.
अभी कौन है? संजीत, you have question? Okay, good. सरा नायकी. ओ हाँ ठीक है. विवो मुझे बताओ आपका क्या है? आपका नाम चेंज नहीं किया? You did not change your name. What is your question? Tell me. What is your name?
My name is Punarvi.
Oh, amazing name. Tell me your question, Punarvi.
धर्म में भगवत गीता श्लोक बताऊं?
बोलो.
धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतयोत्सवा.
अरे वाह.
धर्मक्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र समवेतयुयुत्सवः
हाँ
महाभारतः पांडवश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय. Thank you.
Superb, amazing. Amazing, nice. और कौन है? निहारिका, you don't have a question today? सब समझ गया आपको आज?
Actually, Parmestina.
हाँ.
So, did the king also become a devotee of?
Yes, king become devotee.
A devotee of
Jagannath. Yes.
Okay. Actually, Prabhuji, I saw Shri Krishna, and like I know most of the stories of Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna, as I saw Shri Krishna.
Amazing.
But then I did not see the war part because I mean it was becoming too late and it was going out of balance, so I just missed the war part.
Amazing. Nivedita, you have a question? Okay, tell me.
No, sir, I don't have a question.
Mhm.
Is that I study in Chinmaya Vidyalaya, and in Chinmaya Vidyalaya, they teach us Gita
Very nice, super.
every day. So I know Gita, but it has been 2 years since I chanted, so I don't remember much.
Then you can just revise.
Yes.
Mhm.
Sir, you always unmute me.
वो गलती से हो जाता है. Ditya, you have a question? Ditya, please ask the question.
Sir, nothing but वो आपने पिक्चर दिखाया था ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वो मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा था और मैं कुछ रीड भी नहीं कर पा रही थी, इसलिए मैंने रेस किया था.
ओके ओके. पर आपको स्टोरी समझा वो? दित्या, आपको स्टोरी समझा?
हाँ सर.
ओके ओके, सुपर.
और बहुत अच्छा भी है.
ओह, थैंक यू फॉर फीडबैक.